I would say some of the bluntest, most pressing comments that we've gotten from a CEO of a manufacturer to date regarding these tariffs on Chinese imports and whether they go up to 25% at the end of the week. So this is Polaris CEO and Chairman Scott Wine. I just spoke to him on the phone just a short while ago, and what he told me was, first of all, Polaris' supply chain, a significant portion of it is based in China. They import quite a bit of their components from that country for final assembly here in the U.S. So he said at 25%, it's downright catastrophic in terms of impact on the company and employees, adding that through no fault of our own, meaning Polaris, really basically due to government policies, 1/3 of the company's net income could go away, and that ultimately, if this is not resolved, Polaris would have no choice but to move production to Mexico, where the company does have a Monterrey facility. This would essentially be forcing me, Wine told me, to push jobs outside of the U.S. Just for a little bit of background here, Polaris, which makes snowmobiles, ATVs, motorcycles, did invest $150 million to build that new final assembly plant in Huntsville. At the same time, they did have a competitor that built one in Mexico. And the way Wine explained it to me is their competitors who have production in these other countries aren't paying tariffs, and Polaris is. So they take this very seriously, and much like Harley-Davidson, they have been impacted by tariffs on a number of different fronts, and they are seeking exemptions from these tariffs from the U.S. government, but in the meantime, really coming out in full force to talk about what this impact would be. Stocks down 3% today.